Need stronger, smarter fasteners today? You're in the right place. And in this video, we're checking out 15 amazing fasteners and anchors that will blow your mind. Perfect for everything from drywall to concrete and beyond. No fluff, just the best hardware to keep your builds locked down. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1. ALLIGATOR All-Purpose Anchor. Meet the ALLIGATOR All-Purpose Anchor, a true multi-surface hero. This polypropylene anchor flows into any undercuts, drywall, tile, brick, or concrete, then hardens into a rock-solid mechanical bond. It even seals the hole against moisture for durable, leak-proof installs. Number 2. Rawlplug Wall Anchor. The Rawlplug wall anchor is engineered for cracked and non-cracked concrete, with adjustable embedment depths for precise load rating. Made from A4 stainless steel, it's seismic and fire rated up to R120. Its patented expansion collar locks tight, making it a go-to for demanding indoor and outdoor jobs. Number 3. R-DCA Drop-In/Wedge Anchor. When you need blast-proof concrete anchoring, the R-DCA Drop-In/Wedge Anchor is your pick. ETA Option 1 certified, it installs with a simple hammer tap, no special tools required. Perfect for securing threaded rods in structural, plumbing, or HVAC applications. Number 4. B-Fix Heavy-Duty Plasterboard Fixings. For stud walls and dot and dab installs, B-Fix Heavy-Duty Plasterboard Fixings hold up to 116 kilograms in just a 7mm cavity. Patented Smart Wing design locks tight every time, even if you over-drill. No more sagging shelves or loose mirrors. Number 5. Chemical Anchors, Resin Capsules. When expansion anchors just won't do, chemical anchors step in. Styrene-free resin capsules bond threaded rods into dry or wet cracked concrete. Pre-measured capsules guarantee consistent strength, ideal for safety-critical fixings in tight or edge-distance applications. Number 6. Fischer DDF Fixing. The Fischer DDF Fixing bridges cavity walls and plasterboard into masonry behind. Its long nylon expansion shaft and red fiberglass reinforced body spread loads across a wide area. Perfect for heavy TVs, radiators, and cabinets on dot and dab walls. Number 7. Hilti HST3 Wedge Anchor. Hilti HST3 Wedge Anchors deliver exceptional pull-out strength, even at reduced edge distances. Carbon steel, zinc-plated, and ETA approved, these anchors handle heavy structural loads and minimize clearance requirements by up to 25%. A go-to for demanding installations. Number 8. Corefix Plasterboard Anchor. Corefix plasterboard anchors are the fast, reliable choice for drywall and dot and dab walls. No special tools, just a 10mm bit, hammer, and screwdriver. Independently tested for long-term performance, they also work perfectly in brick, block, and lightweight concrete. Number 9. Metal cavity anchors. For hollow wall confidence, try metal cavity anchors. Each kit includes a zinc-plated anchor and recommended setting tool for fast, precise installs. Rated for heavy loads, great for handrails, shelving units, and radiators in low humidity environments. Number 10. B-Fix plasterboard fixings with spade bit kit. Another winner from B-Fix, this spade bit kit includes 8 drywall anchors with collars, screws, and the matching spade bit. Holding up to 133 kilograms in standard boards, these fixings make hanging heavy mirrors, cupboards, and flat-screen TVs a breeze. Number 11. Magna Grip HuckBolt Fastener. Need extreme vibration resistance? The Magna Grip HuckBolt Fastener delivers. With one fastener replacing up to 4 traditional huck bolts, it provides uniform installed values and airtight flush installs. Perfect for high-stress applications like transport or heavy machinery. Number 12. QUIKRETE Anchoring Epoxy. QUIKRETE is a 2-part structural epoxy with a 10-minute gel time. Solvent-free, low odor, and effective even below freezing, it anchors threaded rods, rebar, and railings into concrete with instant load capacity for vertical or overhead work. Number 13. Generic carbon steel wedge anchors. When you need a basic workhorse, these carbon steel wedge anchors shine. Built for heavy pull-out loads in concrete, they resist vibratory forces and deliver reliable performance in industrial and dockside installations. Simple, strong, and under $5 each. Number 14. FZ Undercut Anchor FC. The FZ Undercut Anchor uses a single-step drill bit to create a machined undercut, then locks in with a push-through method. Zinc-plated steel meets cracked concrete class, plus fire-rated R120 for ultimate safety in facade, railing, and structural mountings. Number 15. SX Plus Plug Expansion. Rounding out our list, SX Plus plug expansion for solid substrates, concrete, brick, or block. 4-way expansion ensures a firm grip, while flexible plug edges prevent overdriving. No slipping, no guesswork, just rock-solid fastening every time. That's our lineup of 15 game-changing fasteners and anchors under $50. Which one blew your mind? Drop your favorite in the comments.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.